Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I wanted to go over some cases I received from Ringke, and they were kind enough to send me two cases, one case for the iPhone 11 and one for the 11 Pro Max. So here is the one for the 11, and this is the Fusion X. This is in Camo Black here, and they have this nice eco packaging that they use. They also sent this, which it looks like a keychain lanyard, but I'm not quite sure, but I will open that in just a moment. We'll find out exactly what that is there. And then we have another of the Fusion X here for the 11 Pro Max, and this is in black. So we'll go ahead and start with the iPhone 11 and take a look at that one first. So first off, just wanted to give some info about the case. So they come in a couple different colors. It comes in a let's see here. We got the Camo Black. It does come in. It has a one with stripes. It does come in regular black, ruby red, space blue also. And I'll leave the pricing in the description. And it is a tough case. As you can see, we get the military specification there, so it is military spec. It has some tough corners and everything here. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package here. So a little tear here, right there. Or you could open it at the bottom, it looks like, but let's open it that way. Alright, give you a little accessories coupon here. And there's a protective film removal. So it is a clear case, as you can see here. Nice clear case. I'm really feeling the camo here. I think that looks really, really nice. So, just looking around here, it looks like it's kind of a TPU material all around. It does have a raised lip on the camera cutout here, which is nice, so I know that's protected. We have these nice ridges on the buttons themselves, so it has a nice feel right there. We've got the Fusion X branding right here, and as you can see on each corner it has more material so that it is drop resistant there. I do like the power button has a little extra, and then on the volume buttons here we do have the plus and minus for our volume, and a nice cutout for our silent switch. You also have a little lanyard hole right here, so if you wanted to add a lanyard you can. Got nice cutouts for our speakers and our port there, and then this does have a raised lip. So we'll go ahead and remove this film real quick, and we'll put the phone in, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I got the film removed here, and as you can see here, it's a really nice looking case. We'll go ahead and pop it in here. Alright, so everything fits really nice. Feels really nice in the hand here. And as you can see, we do have that nice raised lip all around the edge here. So it does have some drop protection there. As you can see, we got a nice perfect cutout for our silent and silent and sound switch, excuse me. We have nice tactile buttons. And as you can see here, it looks they're a little bit raised. So you do have a little bit of raised buttons there. Looks really nice, nice feel. The power button with the little ridges, really nice. Nothing is obstructed, it looks really, really nice. And man, that camo just looks really hot, I gotta say. I'm really, really a fan. Perfect cutout here for our camera. And as you can see at the bottom, we do have the Ringke branding right there. So definitely, definitely really nice. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max case now. So here is the packaging here, and this one is just the same model, the Fusion X, just in black. So it just has the clear insert here. So we're going to tear it open here, and we got some more information here. So very similar to the 11 case, we do have the nice corners here, really nice thick edges. We have the raised trim above the screen. Nice cutout for our silent and sound switch. Our volume buttons are the same here, so they are kind of raised. Nice feel. Nice ridges on the power button there, I do like that. And then the raised lip above the camera cutout here. So we'll go ahead and remove the plastic film real quick, and we'll get the phone in here. Always fun to peel. Oh, and this one has double duty, so we have 2 pieces of film since it's clear on both sides. Alright. There you go. And that is perfectly clear. So this should look really nice on the 11 Pro Max. So this one is the Midnight Green Pro Max here. So slides in pretty easy. Alright, so it looks pretty nice here. So as I said before, got the nice raised edges with that nice protection there. Cutouts for everything is perfect here, so there's our silent sound switch there. Nice cutouts for the buttons. Still feel really, really good. Here's our cutout. It's at the bottom for the speaker and mic, as you can see right there. Really, really nice. And then check that out. You actually get to appreciate the color of your phone. So that's really, really nice. So yeah, I'm really a fan. I'm honestly, I like the camo though, that I'm more into there, but here's both of them side by side if you wanted to see that. So we've got the 11 case with the Camo Fusion X, and then the Pro Max with the traditional black Fusion X case. Alright, and we'll go ahead and check out the other accessory that they gave us here. Alright, and just want to check out this accessory that they included also here. So let's see if I can open it with the, it's got a piece of paper on the top there, so it's kind of hard to open with that in there. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, so it is a strap, so that's pretty cool. So let's see. Okay, so they gave a little photo here of just some of the different straps that they offer. So they have little lanyard straps here. Looks like some of them are kind of braided straps here. And then some different ones with little, well, they actually have, each one of them has a little rubber piece so you can kind of close the loop if you need to. And then these more open straps here. So that's pretty cool. So you have this nice black strap here, and you could wrap it on the phone here in the lanyard loop here. Alright, so I did put it on the 11 Pro Max case here. So I'm not the greatest at putting one of these on, but here it is there. So at the corner there, probably hard to see on camera here, but you can hold the phone there with it if you want to. So probably good for, like, you know, if you're doing, you know, if you're on a hike or something like that, you can have it around your arm if you don't want to, you know, if you don't want to drop your phone, that kind of thing, or if you're doing something, you know, outside, I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool there. So they have a couple different kind of lanyards. So this is a pretty long one. They have some shorter ones that are a little bit smaller. So, but if you like to carry your phone around like a lanyard like that, you can. Pretty cool idea. So there we go. And one other thing I wanted to mention before I go is that Ringke does make quite a bit of cases here. So they make cases for all kinds of phones. So they make cases for mid-tier, budget, and even in all the flagship phones. So they also make a wide variety of cases and different accessories. So definitely check them out. They do have cases on their website as well as on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the comments below on those, as well as the pricing for these cases that I just looked at here. So definitely give them a look. So I do want to say thank you to Ringke for sending me these cases out here, as well as that little strap there. Pretty cool cases here, and I'll definitely be using my case here. I have the iPhone 11 here, so I'll be using this for a little while. I definitely love that camo. That is one of my favorites there. I remember seeing this on Twitter, and I just fell in love with this case. I think it's such a cool case that they came out with here. So definitely thank you, Ringke, for sending me these out, and I definitely will be using them. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and look at these at the Fusion X case for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max, as well as the strap accessory that they sent here. If you have any questions or comments on it, feel free to leave me a comment down below. And if you did like this video, if you'd leave me a like, and if you want to see more like this, consider subscribing. I definitely upload quite a bit, and I'm sure I have some sort of content you guys may like. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.